Hello guys, welcome to English Express channel. In this video we made for you technology and gadget vocabulary keeping up with the digital age. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching guys. A smartphone. Smartphone. I bought a new smartphone. I bought a new smartphone. Tablet. Tablet. She watches movies on her tablet. She watches movies on her tablet. Laptop. Laptop. My laptop broke down. My laptop broke down. Smartwatch. Smartwatch. My smartwatch counts my steps. My smartwatch counts my steps. Headphones. Headphones. I listen to music with headphones. I listen to music with headphones. Drone. Drone. The drone captures aerial images. The drone captures aerial images. Fitness tracker. Fitness tracker. The fitness tracker counts my calories. The fitness tracker counts my calories. Smart home. Smart home. The smart home controls the lighting. The smart home controls the lighting. Voice assistant. Voice assistant. The voice assistant plays music. The voice assistant plays music. Touch screen. Touch screen. The touch screen is very sensitive. The touch screen is very sensitive. Operating system. Operating system. I installed a new operating system. I installed a new operating system. Processor. Processor. The processor runs faster. The processor runs faster. Memory. Memory. The memory is full. The memory is full. USB flash drive. USB flash drive. I connected the USB flash drive to my laptop. I connected the USB flash drive to my laptop. Speaker. A speaker. The speaker plays music loudly. The speaker plays music loudly. Power bank. Power bank. I carry a power bank with me. I carry a power bank with me. Game console. Game console. The game console is popular. The game console is popular. Social media. Social media. Social media is very popular. Social media is very popular. Streaming service. Streaming service. The streaming service plays movies. The streaming service plays movies. Video call. Video call. A video call is very useful. A video call is very useful. Smart glasses. Smart glasses. Smart glasses display information. Smart glasses display information. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.